Hello friends, once again I welcome you all on behalf of this channel. So today I will discuss about the pericyclic questions which has what recently came in June 2019 NET examination. So in part C, so this is the questions. This is the question what they have given, and now this is the uh, what cyclo octa type what in and this is what used with what nitrogen atom, and what we have to do the it will what thermal condition what it will form that we have to see here. So now what it in all the product what you have seen the cyclization. Now in the due to the cyclization, so which will be the preferred product that we have to see here. So now this is the very simple reactions that has came in June 2019 exam. So because it is what it is a you have to see here, although in all the four options which is what more stable product that you have to see here. Now here in if you are what doing what 4 and thermal rotation, okay, in that 1 2 3 4 4 n, so you will get this product. Okay, out of 2 the hydrogen atoms are one is cis, it is fusion is what transfusion, here you have what cis fusion. So you can clearly see that this is very unstable ring because 3-membered ring, it is what very unstable, so this can't be product. Okay, now what we have what this option has left. So in this option one is what cis fusion, one is transfusion. So now what we have to see here, so that means here you have what double bond is what remain, that means one double bond you have to leave and you have to do the 1 2 3, that is 4n plus 2 thermal rotation. Okay, so now how will you go? You don't have to remember selection rule also, but I will tell you at the end. This is you just see the molecule and you have to tick mark. Okay, this is a very simple that is came in the CSIR NET examination. So in this what I'll do, you will do the operation, you will do the 4n plus 2 thermal, and in 4n plus 2 thermal is what this rotation. So this is process where it always takes place. So by selection rule also you can say that this is so 4n plus 2 thermal this rotation. Okay, so these two hydrogen will be what they will go to the cis position, they will go to the cis position because they are what in opposite direction. So now what we have to see here, what so if you uh, allow the operation, if you do the operation, what you will see 4n thermal this rotation. So this two hydrogens are there, and these two when you apply the operation, so how will you apply the operation? Because these, suppose you have the two hydrogen atom, you will get what like this sorry, this you will get this. Okay, these two hydrogen will be what in the same directions, so this two will be what. So now in other way also how to without uh, remembering all the selection rule, we can simply what say that if your homo is what we have to see, if thermal is there we have to see the homo, and for homo, if homo, that is here we are using what how many carbon atom, how many label will be there, 1 2 3 4 5, so 6 energy level, that means psi 3 will be the your homo. So psi 3 will be homo, that means 3 is odd number, 3 is odd number, so that means it will be what mirror symmetry. Okay, so here you can see that this is the mirror symmetry, this will be the mirror orbital, this orbital will be what here the plus plus, here minus, they are what they are both totally mirror image. So for mirror image, how can you form the bond? You will form the bond with the help of this rotation only, because this will be the overlapping, this will be the perfect overlapping. Okay, so this will be the bonding orbital. Okay, otherwise it will not bond. If it is for plus and it is minus, so it will not form bond, it will form bond by the con rotation. So now in this it will form a bond with the help of this rotation. So here it is what psi 3 odd number, so that's why you will have operation this rotation. Okay, here also in if you have what even, So then it will be C2 symmetry, your orbital will be C2. Okay, it will be minus and it will be plus. Okay, it will be C2. So here what you will have, you will have a con rotation. Always you have to remember like that. You don't have to mug up all the that selection rule. You just see this function and you have to do the operation. Okay, you don't have to always that mug up all the selection, because there are lots of confusion uh, take place, that how to remember all the things, because we have lots of selection rule to remember. So 4n plus 2 6 carbon atom, so that means just we have to do the half of that energy level. So psi 3, that means homo is what, odd number. Okay, it will be mirror symmetry, so we have to do the operation disrotation. Okay, so in this way you will get the option number 1. So and in other word also, in short also, we can what, we can tell that because 6 and 5 member ring always joined with the cis fusion, not by the trans fusion. So that's why this option can't be there. Only this option is possible only. So without solving the question also, we can take the answer also. So this is very simple concept, and this time the CSIR has asked just to test the concept, or the concept is clear or not. We don't have to apply all the selections rule, etc. So thank you so much, and I hope that you will like this video, and give a big thumbs up if you like, and share with your friend also, and do your best. And so thank you so much, and have a nice day.